it is my privilege and honor to invite His Excellency Muhammad Shahabuddin, Honorable Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Bangladesh, to share the Mujib Climate Prosperity Plan as part of the Planetary Recovery and Prosperity Session. Excellency, Honorable Minister Muhammad Shahabuddin, the floor is now yours.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chair, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to you all. It is my pleasure to present the Mujib Climate Prosperity Plan in the Planetary Recovery and Prosperity session of the B20 Ministerial Dialogue 7. You are aware that the CBF B20 presidency of Bangladesh put forward the idea of developing prosperity plans which would enable its member countries to attain prosperity by weathering climate vulnerability through resilience and green development. In line with the vision, Bangladesh has formulated the Mujib Climate Prosperity Plan MCPP, named after the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, commemorating his birth centenary. The initiatives taken by the Honorable Prime Minister, Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, as the chair of the Climate Vulnerable Forum, CBF presidency, has played a crucial role in tackling the impacts of the climate change. Indeed, our Honorable Prime Minister exemplary leadership on the Mujib Climate Resilience and Prosperity Plan is being lauded nationally and across various global platforms. The MSPP recognizes the indomitable spirit of the Bengalis installed in them by the father of the nation during the epic struggle for freedom. It is an ambitious agenda for action taken under the leadership of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, who is a strong proponent of climate action based technical and financial support for adaptation, resilience, low carbon pathway, and loss and damage. We put forward this plan to respond to the growing needs of the economics highly vulnerable to climate change. We also wish to indicate that members of the B20 can develop investor-facing climate prosperity plan with support from our CBF and B20 joint multi-donor fund. The plan set out here today ensure that the climate-related risks and opportunities are fully understood and reflected in the decision that public and private actors make. We have charted ways to improve policy and investment decisions and how we implement solutions. Most importantly, we show how domestic and international partners can together mobilize new funds and resources necessary to accelerate resilience and prosperity outcome for our economic and our people. Climate change has ushered in an era of multiple intersecting systemic shock, which demand equally effective and coordinated solutions. The intergeneration and international market failure associated with climate change warrants collective action. We thus look forward to working with the major economic and partners to ensure investment for realizing our shared vision from climate vulnerability to maximal resilience and prosperity. Thank you for the opportunity to join G20 finance ministers in this important dialogue. Jai Bangla, Jai Bangabandhu.